In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to N8N step by step. We'll start inside your N8N account. Once you're logged in, head over to your main dashboard. This is where you can see all of your projects and workflows. Make sure you're in the right workspace where you want to build this automation, because your workflow will be saved there. Next, look for the section or tab labeled Personal. Go ahead and click on that. The Personal area is usually where you keep your own test or individual workflows. So it's a great place to set up this connection before rolling it out to a team or a production environment. Inside the Personal section, click on Create Workflow. This opens up a brand new empty workflow canvas. Think of this as your automation playground, where you'll add different nodes and connect the tools you use, like Zoho CRM. On the empty canvas, you should see an option that says Add First Step. Click on that. This is how you add your very first node to the workflow. Nodes in N8N represent actions or triggers from different apps and services. A search panel will appear, allowing you to choose which app you want to use as your first node. In the search bar, start typing Zoho CRM. Typing the name helps you quickly filter the long list of integrations so you don't have to scroll through everything. When you see Zoho CRM appear in the list of available nodes, click on it. This tells N8N you want to use Zoho CRM as part of your workflow. Selecting this will open the configuration panel for the Zoho CRM node on the right-hand side of the screen. In this panel, you may be asked to select from options below, such as which resource or operation you want to work with. For example, you might see options related to leads, contacts, or other modules from your Zoho CRM account. Choose the option that best matches what you plan to do, like reading data, creating records, or updating information. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts that N8N provides. These prompts will guide you through connecting your Zoho CRM account, authorizing access, and finalizing the configuration. Take your time with each field and make sure you confirm or save when prompted so that the connection is properly set up and ready to use in your workflow.